Let's see now what changes we will make in our feature engineering component. So just like earlier, I'll create the ML project file. This will have a name, and its name will be same as whatever is this particular folder name. Let me just copy that and put it over here. Then I'll need to specify the Conda environment, and as you might have guessed, its name will be conda.yml because that is what the name of the file is in this particular directory. Then we'll define our entry points. And in this case, how many entry points we might have? And if you guessed 1, you are right, because we only have one script that we are supposed to run when we do feature engineering. There is no other variant of it. And then we'll define our parameters, and they will majorly come from the run.py file that we have. Let me open it to the side and see what were the parameters in. So one is validated train path. That is one of the parameters. And again, this is an S3 path, so its type will be URI. What's the next parameter, which is feature path stored, and I'll put it over here. Let me now close it. Its type will also be URI. Now think about what's the next thing we need to do. The next thing we need to do is we need to define what command needs to be run. And in this case, that is going to be Python run.py, because in this component also, our main file which we run is the run.py file, and then the name of the command line parameters. Its value is going to come from this variable, which I'll supply to the ML flow. Similarly, the last command line parameter, and its value is going to be again coming from the ML flow. So that completes our conversion or refactor of the code for the feature engineering component. Let's move on to the model training component and create an ML project file in the model training component as well.